Hey, Chloe here and welcome back. We've shown you what our home is like in its current state in 2021. And if you haven't watched that video, go ahead and check it out, links below. I know it may not look like much, but we've actually done a lot to get to this point. Just that one row of pavers I'm referring to weighed in total over 4,000 pounds, which is the average weight of a car. We now want to take you back over the past couple of years to show you just how we got to this point. So let's go. Hey guys, so today we are going to the dump. This is our very first time going. The past couple months we've been clearing out our property. We've been here for a couple years, and as we've begun to clear out all of the plants and trees and the overgrown material on the land, we have found a truckload of crap in the yard. And so this is kind of filled with hodgepodge everything, and this is not even the beginning because there's so much bricks and concrete that is still all over the property, but this is the majority of just random stuff. And so we're gonna bring one truckload to the dump of just this stuff, and then we're gonna come back and then grab all of the metal material that we found all over the property, and I'll show you that in a bit when we get back here for the metal. So yeah. All right, get to work, mister.
Yeah, let's do this.
We're at the dump, getting rid of all this junk, and they gave us pink vests. Okay, we're back. So, all done with that first load of junk to the dump. Now we have a lot of, I don't know, old fence railing stuff. I don't even know what it was supposed to be used for, but it was at the very bottom of our property, and we had to bring it all the way up and then cut it into little tiny pieces because they were, how long were they? 20, 30 feet?
Yeah.
Like 20 or 30 feet long. Ugh, it was a nightmare. Anyways, we're almost done cutting through all of it. We're gonna load it up in the truck and then recycle it, and we'll see how this works. I guess we get a couple dollars or we get something for it, but the first dump, the first truckload that went to the dump, that was, it cost us $51, and that was over in Lemon Grove dumping facility, and then we'll see what this one ends up being. So yeah, let's go. So much metal just from our half-acre yard. What were they thinking? What is all this? Can't even. Recycling. All right, time to unload.
Yeah.